Good day, this is Douglas. We are here to introduce a very effective and smell very fresh way to clean your machinery parts. Hold grease is very sticky and smells bad sometimes. You simply don't want that smell to get onto the food or your clothes. But what? Let's work! Lemon oil or citrus oil is an extraordinary cleanser. It is a very good organic solvent with a wonderful aromatic smell. It allows you to work in a pleasant environment without needing a gas mask, especially in hot summers. Wait, are you sure that is good enough? We have to add some fine graphite powder to increase heat resistance and reduce the coefficient of friction.